Explanation of Article 313 of the Indian Constitution. Location in the Constitution. Part 14. Services under the Union and the States. Chapter 1. Services. Purpose of Article 313. Article 313 is a transitional provision that ensures continuity of service laws from the pre-independence period until new laws are made under the Constitution. It temporarily retains existing laws related to public services until new provisions are enacted under the Constitution. Key provisions of Article 313. Existing service laws continue. Any law related to public services or government posts that was in force before the commencement of the Constitution, 26 January 1950, will continue to be applicable. This applies to All India services, like IAS, IPS, IFS. Union government services. State government services. Consistency with the Constitution. The old laws will continue only if they do not contradict the provisions of the Constitution. If any law is inconsistent with the Constitution, it will not remain in effect. Temporary measure until new laws are made. These laws remain in force only until Parliament or state legislatures enact new laws regarding recruitment and service conditions. Once a new law is enacted under Article 309, the old law will no longer apply. Why was Article 313 needed? When the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950, there were many existing service laws from British rule. The government could not immediately create new service laws for all public posts. Article 313 ensured that administrative functions continued smoothly until Parliament or state legislatures made new laws under Article 309. Example of Article 313 in action. Before 1950, the Government of India Act, 1935 governed civil services. After independence, the existing laws under the 1935 Act continued to apply temporarily. New laws were gradually enacted under Article 309 to regulate recruitment and service conditions. Once the new laws were in place, the old laws were repealed. Conclusion. Article 313 is a temporary provision that allowed old service laws to continue until Parliament or state legislatures made new laws. It ensured continuity in government administration after independence. However, old laws remained in force only if they were consistent with the Constitution. Over time, new laws replaced most pre-1950 service laws, making Article 313 largely redundant today. The Constitution of India. Part 14. Services under the Union and the States. Chapter 1. Services. Article 313. Transitional provisions. Until other provision is made in this behalf under this Constitution, all the laws in force immediately before the commencement of this Constitution and applicable to any public service or any post which continues to exist after the commencement of this Constitution, as an All India service or as service or post under the Union or a state shall continue in force so far as consistent with the provisions of this Constitution.